Hey everybody, it's your girl Shelly over at Eat to Live Strong Plus More, and today I am going to do another Plus More, which is an unboxing, and I'm going to tell you why I had to eat crow. So let's go ahead and get started. I got this wonderful package from FedEx, and I'm going to go ahead and get to opening it. Now I should be able to rip it. Oops, no, that didn't work. FedEx, boy, they on point with their tags, so you can't get it open. So I'm trying to get it open because I can never pull the tab. As you can tell, I snap it before I can get it done. But I also don't want to tear up the cut into it and cut my item. So today, guys, I'm going to unbox this package from the beautiful Bling Everything. Her link will be in the description box. She is a friend, a classmate that makes all of our class t-shirts and special events. And of course, I don't have the time to make it, so she does them for me. And I will tell you now, I had to eat crow on one of the products that I got. So I am opening up for the t-shirts that I got from her, and oh yeah, she blings everything out, and apparently purple is her color. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna open up first thing first. Beautiful. So I have MS, but MS don't have me. Now I have this exact same shirt that is in black, but because Multiple Sclerosis Month, the color is orange, I wanted to get something in orange with the same pattern on the front, so that's why I ended up with this one. And I will also say that the color on this one is orange sickle. So this is orange sickle, and it has the symptoms of MS, at least the symptoms that I endure with MS. Look at all those daggone symptoms, guys. And it says, it's fine, I'm fine, and then it lists all the symptoms there. And then at the bottom, it says, let me lift it up so you can see it. It says, everything is fine, multiple sclerosis. And it's soft, it's pretty. I think I got the wrong size. I think it's a little big, but that's okay. I'll be able to walk around with my shorts and flip-flops on with it in. So that's that shirt. Now, let's get on to why. Isn't that pretty? It's beautiful. Thank you, sis. I can tell you now why I had to eat crow. This next shirt. So, as you know, we're in the process of moving. I'm still packing up, and one of my shirts came up missing, my t-shirts, and it's one that I always get a lot of compliments on. I love the shirt to death. It has a scripture on it. It says a lot. It means a lot. So I've been fussing around the house saying, you got my shirt, you lost my shirt, you lost my shirt. And I'm telling them, you lost my shirt, having them tear up their house, tear their rooms apart to look for it and go through their stash. And it's like, we don't have it. So on a Saturday, I said, the minute I order this shirt, because I've torn the house up, went through everybody's stash and didn't find the shirt, but I'm still blaming one particular person that they have misplaced my shirt. So on that Saturday, I said, I'm going to go ahead and order it because I need to have it for the MS Walk that's going to take place on April the 27th. So I go ahead and order the shirt, and the credit card went through. I got the notification, then I got the tracking number, so the shirt had gone out. So I was like, okay, well, at least I'll have it by the walk. So I said, well, I need to go in here and finish up some crocheting projects. So I'm working on a blanket for my niece, and I went ahead and started looking around to gather the stuff up for her to finish her project. And I get her bag with her yarn and the needle and everything in from where I had started her project. And I look in the bag, and I look down, and I see something black in the bag, and I'm like, what is this? The shirt was in the crocheting bag. So I hid my own shirt. Now I gotta eat crow and tell everybody I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. And I did. But I went into the bag, and then I said, oh, that's right. When I went to the Christmas store in December with my mom and my sister, I took the t-shirt because I'm like, if they have it hot in that car, if it's hot where I'm going to peel this sweatshirt off and put the t-shirt on. And that's how the shirt ended up in the bag. Now, mind you, I've torn my crafting room, everything, tore it apart and could not find that shirt. It was housed in a bag full of yarn and needles and crochet project. So yes, I picked up the phone. I called my husband. I said, yeah, guess what? He said, what? I said, I ordered the shirt, so it'll be here in time for the walk. He said, well, very good. And so maybe that'll be a good thing and you won't lose it, or it'll, you know, whatever. And I said, no, that's not even half of the story. I first need to apologize to you. He said, where did you find it? I said, yeah, it was hidden in one of my crocheting bags. He said, yeah, I knew I didn't have it, but you just kept on going on and on and on. So I had to eat crow and apologize. And here is the shirt. And you guys probably remember me wearing this shirt a lot too, but it is my favorite shirt. And it says, I'm a MS warrior. I can do all things through Christ. And that's the shirt. So it's one of my favorite shirts, and I have it in other colors now. But these are the two shirts that I had to order, and that's why I had to eat crow. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now. I ate crow. I ate crow. Bye, y'all.